Ludwig Wittgenstein's lecture on ethics. Wittgenstein discusses the challenges of expressing ethical thoughts in language, highlighting the difference between relative and absolute values. He argues that ethical judgments can't be reduced to factual statements. Using the example of describing a matter, the description itself contains no ethical proposition. Wittgenstein explores experiences like wondering at the world's existence and feeling absolutely safe, suggesting these express the supernatural aspect of ethics. He notes that ethical expressions often rely on similes or allegories, like describing God as a human being. When trying to drop the simile, we're left with nonsense, indicating the limits of language in capturing ethics. Wittgenstein concludes that ethics isn't a science. It's a tendency in human thought, running against language's boundaries, which he respects deeply. Wittgenstein emphasizes that experiences with absolute value are facts, yet describing them as such leads to nonsense. He rejects the idea that we just need the right logical analysis, saying the nonsensicality of ethical expressions is their essence. The lecture highlights the tension between language and the desire to express absolute values with Wittgenstein, acknowledging the importance of this human tendency.